Hey YouTube.
breakfast.
So my wife found a cinnamon roll recipe that we're going to share with you today. Don't go away. It's really tasty. Stay tuned.
So all you need are the 2 of the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. You take the cover off. And then open the roll. I don't use the frosting that comes with it. I just tear them apart and set them in the tin. Gonna do the second roll. Make sure you grab the frosting lid if it sticks. I just squish them all together to make sure both rolls fit in here. Okay. And then you're going to take, I use this creamy cream cheese frosting. And then with a spatula, just spread it on top. I guess I still have some left in the can. I just spread it on so it's kind of even. And then we're going to take our cinnamon swirl crumb cake muffin mix and then we're going to take the powder stuff powder mix. You don't need to mix anything with this. I just spread it on top. And then just even it out over the frosting. Just the best you can. And then you're going to take the brown sugar package and just sprinkle this on top. Then I'll just try to spread that even. Okay. And then you just want to cut about 1.5 sticks of butter in little slices and just scatter them all over the top. That's it. And then we're going to throw this in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. And then we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, how yummy. To let it cool down for a little bit, and then we'll cut it.
How long do we have to wait?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Be back in 5. All right.
Let's see how it looks. Gooey, gooey. Gooey, gooey, and cinnamony.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing.